Market is a place where buyers and sellers interact to trade. If we classify markets in terms of economic analysis, there are two types of market. Number one is goods and services market. It can be also known as commodity market or product market. The market which exchanges consumer goods is what we call goods and services market. It does not include the exchange of raw materials, scarce resources, factors of production, or any type of intermediate goods. So the second market is known as factor market. The market which exchanges land, labor, and capital is defined as factor market. Household demand goods and services, and firms demand factors of production. And firms supply the goods and services for consumption, and households supply factors of production. So let us look the circular flow of an economic system. So if you look here, there will be businesses who are going to supply goods and services in exchange of business income. So they will get the business income from product market, and while consumer and household or individuals, they are going to buy goods and services from product market, and they are going to give what is known as consumer expenditure. And household are the ones who are going to provide factors of production to the factor market. So it will be factors of production here. And they are going to get income for providing the resources. And businesses are going to demand factors of production from factor market. So they are going to buy productive resources and give up the payments for resources. So this would be the circular flow. The important thing is this demand of goods and services where individuals and households are demanding from product market is a direct demand, and whereas businesses are deriving from the factor market is that this demand is because of the demand that is derived from product market. So this would be an indirect demand or derived demand. And as you can see here in the circular flow, there are only two actors in play: businesses and household. There is a third actor, as we have discussed in our first module, which are the government, which sits in the middle. This would be the government's role. They are going to overlook and regulate and protect these both parties.